Hey there, it's Auntie Anne or Mrs. Hogan, depending on how you know me. But I was thinking that I really miss coming to Westview and reading with the kids, and I would really like to read a book to Abigail, my great niece, and Wilson and Palmer, my great nephews. So Abigail, I miss your dimples. Wilson, I miss your hugs. And Palmer, I miss your smile. And I miss all you wildcats out there, and I hope you enjoy this story. It's kind of an appropriate story right now. It's called Stand Back, Said the Elephant. I'm Going to Sneeze. This was one of my favorite books when I was little. It was written in 1971. And it's a lot of it's in black and white, but it's also got some color thrown in on special pages. Okay, so Stand Back, Said the Elephant. I'm Going to Sneeze by Patricia Thomas. Okay. Stand back, said the elephant. I'm going to sneeze. I hate to alarm you, but I don't wish to harm you. My friends, I fear it's clear, oh dear, you'd better stand back. I'm going to sneeze. Oh no, cried the buffalo. You're so big and strong, and your trunk is so long. Your sneezes send everyone flying along, bumping and thumping down pathway and trail, bouncing and jouncing head over tail. Tumbling and bumbling, your sneeze is a gale or a hurricane. I hate to complain, but please don't sneeze. Oh no, please don't sneeze, cried the monkeys in the trees. You make such a breeze when you sneeze. The last time you blew us right out of the trees. The branches began to bend and to sway, and some of us landed so far away, we didn't get back until the next day. The leaves all went whirling and tumbling and swirling, and the flowers shook for hours the last time you sneezed. Even a cough would knock some of us off. Oh, please, don't sneeze. The monkeys are scared. With a shriek, the parrot opened his beak. The elephant says he's going to sneeze. Oh, elephant, please, cried the birds in the trees. The last time you sneezed, we lost every feather. We didn't know whether we'd ever get back together. Every parakeet was bare as a sheet, from his head to his feet. What's more, all the whales had peacocks' tails, and the wings of the cockatoo were stuck on the kangaroo. You must confess, it was quite a mess, very confusing, and not too amusing. Even a snuffle makes our feathers ruffle. Oh, please, don't sneeze. Fly, fly, called the birds to the bees. The elephant says he's going to sneeze. Oh no, buzzed the bees, not a sneeze, not a sneeze. The last time he blew off our stings and our wings, and we had to make do with rose thorns and glue. Furthermore, what a shock. We all had to walk on our knees, if you please, and that's hard on bees' knees, while our wings grow back in. What a sin. Oh, please don't sneeze. They are all very scared about this sneeze. Hey, and that's why we're all inside right now, because we don't want to get outside and catch anybody else's sneezes. So it's a good thing that we're home right now. Beware, beware, called the bees to the bear. The elephant says he's going to sneeze. Oh, please, not a sneeze, said the bear. That's not fair. I declare, the last time he sneezed, he blew off all my hair and left me so bare. I spent the whole winter in long underwear. Nothing's so sad as a bear that is bare. The poor giraffe, don't laugh, almost bent in half, and the alligator's snout was turned inside out. A sniff or a snuff is bad enough, but a sneeze, Oh, please, don't sneeze. I don't suppose you could hold your nose or wait a while? Asked the crocodile with a sad little smile. Oh my, do try, said the fly. We wish, said the fish, you would if you could. The last time you blew off all of our scales from our heads to our tails, and the gills got the chills. Our skin is so thin. If you do it again, we'll freeze. Oh, please don't sneeze. Look, they're all begging the elephant not to sneeze. The zebra yelled, "Yipes! You'll blow off my stripes!" Plus lots and lots of the leopard's spots, and all of the snakes will be tied up in knots. The hippopotamus said, "A lot of us will fall right on our bottomus if you sneeze, so please don't sneeze." Ah, they're all so scared. "I'm sorry, my friends," said the elephant sadly. "About all this, I do feel badly. If I could keep from sneezing, I'd do it gladly. But I have such a twitch in my trunk and an itch, plus a little bit of a tickle and even a prickle. You must run, fly, and hop. I'm afraid I can't stop. I would if I could, but there's nothing to do. Boo!" shouted a little gray mouse, jumping out of his house. He stood right up on his little tiptoes, stuck out his tongue, and wiggled his nose. "Eek!" said the elephant, jumping in the air. "That's a mouse, that's a mouse." "That's a mouse standing there. I must hide in a tree before he gets me, or jump in a lake, for goodness sake. Don't scare me, please spare me." Look, the elephant is the one that got scared. Did the little mouse scare his sneeze away? I don't know. The mouse laughed. "Oh, pooh. Now what could I do? A little thing like me to a big thing like you. I really wanted to give you a scare, and it worked as sure as you're standing there. Elephant, think about it. You completely forgot to sneeze." See, look, he's up on his trunk talking to him. "Well, what do you know?" laughed the elephant. "That's so. It's astounding, confounding. As I live and breathe, I don't think I really have to sneeze." He began to giggle. "Hee. That's the funniest thing that's happened to me. Ha ha ha, ho ho ho." The elephant shook from his head to his toe. He ho-hoed and ha-ha'd and giggled and guffawed. He chortled and chuckled until his knees buckled. Uh-oh, what's gonna happen? He sat down and rolled from side to side. In fact, the elephant laughed till he cried. I do that sometimes. He laughed till the ground was shivering and shaking, and all the trees were quivering and quaking. The monkeys came tumbling out of the trees, and the stings fell off every one of the bees. The birds' feathers went flying to goodness knows where. Look at everything that's happening. They were worried about the sneeze, and now they have to worry about the big laugh. And for all of the hair fell off of the bear, the giraffe bent in half, the alligator's snout turned inside out, the fishes lost their scales from their heads to their tails. Oh, this is a good picture. Look at all the stripes coming off the zebra. The zebra yelled, "Yipes! There go my stripes!" While the hippo went thump right on his plump, you know what. And into a puddle the mouse went kerplop. Then he sat up and shouted, "This simply must stop. We're terribly glad that you don't have to sneeze. But if you must laugh, laugh softly. Oh, elephant, please." So that was a good book. Thanks for listening. I'll see you next time. Bye.